A video from the countryside outside Sycamore showed a tornado blowing debris high into the air as dangerous storms hit the area late Monday night. The National Weather Service says trained weather watchers have confirmed that several tornado landings have occurred on Monday in response to an outbreak of severe weather in areas west of the city of Chicago. A series of tornado warnings were issued as storms moved into the area from southern Wisconsin. Some storms also rage right on the Illinois border, and severe weather is expected to continue throughout the evening and affect wide swaths of the zone. DeKalb County Deputy Sheriff Andy Sullivan said Sycamore suffered most of the damage from the hurricane, in particular sheds, and at least one home on Airport Road south of Bethany Road. He said that another house on Fenstermaker Road, near Bethany Road, had suffered damage. Sullivan said there are many trees and live wires along Airport Road. At approximately 7:30 p.m., the Airport Road was closed between Barber Green Road and Bethany Road.